Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's Juneteenth series 2025. Today, I'm going to share with y'all a soda recipe from scratch, and it will be perfect for Juneteenth. We're going to make strawberry soda. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious, and it's going to be loaded with fresh and natural flavors. Nothing artificial. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And once you taste this, you'll never buy store-bought strawberry soda again. This is also great not only for Juneteenth, but all summer long. You can serve this at your barbecues, cookouts, picnics, pool parties, and more. It will quench up your thirst. Perfect on a hot summer day. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, Red Velvet Cake Cookie Bars. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. So grab your mason jars, your club soda, and your strawberries, sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry soda magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our strawberries. On my cutting board, I have a pound of fresh strawberries. And they smell amazing. And I rinsed them. We're going to cut the tops and then dice them up. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through dicing the rest of my strawberries, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through dicing my strawberries, and off camera I place them into my bowl. We are ready to cook them. Over here on my stove top, I have my medium saucepan. You can also use a large pot. I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in our diced strawberries. And into our diced strawberries, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Next, we're going to add in 1½ cups of white sugar and 1½ cups of water. Give it a stir until it's well incorporated. Now I'm going to set my fire to simmer, and we're going to let them cook until the strawberries are soft and tender. Alright, my friends, the strawberries has came to a simmer and they're nice and soft. Now we're going to mash them using my potato masher. Alrighty, now we're going to let it continue to simmer until the strawberries are thickened and syrupy. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, this is what our strawberry syrup looked like. See how thick it is when it coated the spatula? That looks great. Now we're going to add in our last ingredient. 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. Gonna give it an extra strawberry flavor, and stir that in. And I cut my fire off. Our strawberry syrup is done. How simple and easy was that? Now it is time to strain it. We are going to pour it and strain it into my measuring cup using my mesh strainer to get rid of the strawberry pulp. And I'm just going to use my spoon to get the rest of the juice. So all we do now is let the strawberry syrup cool completely, and then we're going to place it in the refrigerator and let it chill. And then we're going to make our soda and give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have my mason jars filled with ice. Time to build the soda. We're going to start with our cooled strawberry syrup. Going to pour that in. Now we're going to add in some cold club soda. You want to do equal parts club soda, equal parts strawberry syrup. Stir it up until it's well blended. Now we're going to garnish it with a strawberry and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Homemade strawberry soda. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Crisp, refreshing, full of strawberry goodness. Oh, there's nothing like homemade soda. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Strawberry soda delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Juneteenth.